What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to reinstall your NVIDIA graphics drivers on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the link in the description below. In order to reinstall your GPU driver, I suggest using the GeForce Experience application. You can download the application from nvidia.com. A link will be in the description below. After downloading and installing the app to your system, make sure to open it up. Here, in the Drivers tab, you should see an option to download the latest graphics card driver. To reinstall your current driver, simply click on these three dots for your current version and select Reinstall Driver. This should only take a few minutes to complete, and GeForce Experience will automatically complete the installation once the download is complete. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.